Hi, I'm Michael, and welcome to the How to Use a Self-Directed IRA to Invest in Real Estate course. In this course, we'll discuss how you can use your retirement account to invest in real estate instead of relying solely on the stock market. We'll walk through the fundamentals, legal structure, and powerful strategies behind self-directed IRAs and show you how this often overlooked approach can help you build long-term wealth through real assets. A self-directed individual retirement account allows you to invest in real estate using your retirement funds. This strategy bypasses traditional stock market investments, enabling you to purchase tangible assets. It's a legal and powerful method that few are aware of, offering a unique opportunity to grow wealth within your retirement account. Wall Street's narrative confines your retirement to their funds, but a self-directed individual retirement account offers true autonomy. Invest in tangible assets like real estate, which appreciate and generate wealth. Enjoy tax-advantaged growth, with profits growing tax-deferred or tax-free, similar to traditional accounts. This empowers you to break free and invest in what you truly understand. Wall Street's narrative limits your retirement to stocks and bonds, but a self-directed individual retirement account, SDIRA, offers true diversification. With an SDIRA, you control investments in real estate, private lending, and more, enjoying tax advantages while building wealth with tangible assets. Wealthy insiders have leveraged SDIRAs for decades, bypassing market volatility and custodial control. Real estate is the top asset class for retirement wealth, surpassing index funds. It offers tangible value, inflation protection, and tax benefits. With consistent appreciation, multiple revenue streams, and asset protection, real estate hedges against market crashes. A self-directed individual retirement account can own diverse real estate types, enabling a tailored retirement portfolio. Self-directed individual retirement accounts offer diverse real estate options. Raw land is ideal for low-maintenance growth. Single-family rentals provide steady cash flow. Commercial properties yield high returns with long leases. Mobile home parks are lucrative with minimal upkeep. My top pick, raw land near lakes or golf courses for appreciation without management hassles. Maria transformed her individual retirement account by investing $24,000 in 3/4-acre lots in Arkansas. Located near a popular lake, these properties required no maintenance. Today, they're valued at $54,000, a $30,000 tax-free gain within her Roth individual retirement account. This success story highlights the potential of strategic land investments for retirement growth. Avoid disqualification by adhering to Internal Revenue Service rules for self-directed individual retirement accounts. No self-dealing. Don't transact with disqualified persons. No personal benefit. Properties are for individual retirement accounts gain only. All transactions must flow through the individual retirement account. No sweat equity. Hire third-party services. Treat your individual retirement account as a separate entity to ensure compliance. Setting up a self-directed individual retirement account is straightforward. Start by choosing a reputable custodian like Equity Trust or Quest Individual Retirement Account. Open your account, selecting traditional or Roth based on your tax strategy. Fund your individual retirement account by rolling over existing retirement accounts. Once funded, direct your custodian to invest. Expect the process to take 2 to 3 weeks. Unlock advanced strategies by partnering individual retirement accounts or leveraging non-recourse loans. Combine individual retirement accounts with others to purchase larger properties, sharing ownership and returns. Use non-recourse loans to control properties with minimal individual retirement account funds, enhancing equity growth. Be aware of potential unrelated business income tax implications and consult a tax advisor for guidance. My method empowers investors to take control of their retirement through strategic real estate investing. I focus on quarter-acre lots near lakes and golf courses to achieve low costs and strong appreciation potential. I offer done-for-you property selection, full compliance support, and long-term partnerships. Investors can start with affordable $12,000 entry points, target $30,000 over 10 years, and enjoy zero maintenance ownership.